Dab gang. Dab gang. Dab gang with the raid. Dab gang. What's up, everybody? How we doing? Happy Thursday. Dab gang with the raid. Good to see y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Happy Thursday. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, no matter where you're coming from. Love to see y'all. In exactly 3D, mega month June. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Are you wearing your green get up? No, I'm wearing my gnome shirt. My gnome shirt just happens to be like the same color as my green screen. I do have the full like morph green suit that I haven't worn yet. We'll do that as a community goal, but I'm wearing my green shirt today. Today's gonna be a fun kind of short class, and so I figured it'd be funny. I wasn't gonna change. I know we don't wear it because it's weird, but I think it's cool. But yeah, you can see it's my gnome shirt if I pull it up. What's going on, everybody? Let's go indeed, Ghosts. Oh, a lot of good stuff today, folks. Today has been a very, very happy day. We talked about errors today. Most of it was in the context of express global error handling. That sounds awesome, Dab. Like I always say, folks, if you're not in Dab's stream before this one, what are you doing? Look at all the cool stuff they're doing, they're covering, that are going to help you be a better software engineer, work through things together. I love it. Dab, thank you for doing that. Alrighty, folks. Today's a good day. It's a real good day. We had a lot of love in here, so let me say thank you to some folks, and we're going to get into some. Oh, it's a hype day. It's a good day. We had some folks overnight. Jimmy Kaba, thank you for the 1 month. I appreciate that. Well, sorry, 8 months. Thank you. Coiled Twitchbot, thank you for the 100 bits. George, hey, thank you for the 6 months. And Z, I appreciate that. Thank you so much for being here. Dab with the raid. I love to see it. Reggie with the gifted sub. Hey, I appreciate that, Reggie. Thank you so much. Topher Tries with the resub 7 months. Let's go, Topher Tries. I love it. Thank you so much. Sleek Like That with the 6 months. Hey, let's go. And Jesse using those channel points for the portfolio review. Send me a mod mail. There are a few folks that need to schedule some time with me. June's the month to do it. Make sure you send me a mod mail just so I get a reminder. But send me a mod mail, Jesse, and we'll get that set up. And Manny with the 8 months. Thank you so much. Wolfpack back in the house. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs. I really appreciate that. Hope the job is going well. Thank you for coming back, spreading some love. Nice to see you. Thank you for being here. Had to sell it for RC, maybe. Oh, it's good to see y'all. Today's a good day. It's one of the best days in a while. I have to look away from the screen. It's too weird. Well, let's make it less weird. There you go. Less weird. Is that better? There you go, Blah. Hopefully that's better for you. So oh, I love this shirt. So today's a good day. We're going to get into it, folks. I want this to be not a meme short class, but a shorter class. I want to get to Remo, but we got some good stuff to talk about. We got some mega month June stuff to talk about. We got some graduation to talk about. We got some React to talk about. We got some beautiful news. The best news I've had this month. All right. Wolfpack, thank you again for the gifted subs. I really appreciate that. Thank you for coming by. Sheenan for the win with the 100 bits. Thank you so much for the bits. You look like your emote. Exactly. You gotta wear the hair out every once in a while, right? Hit the emote. There you go. Yeah, we have somebody from Fiverr working on some. Yeah, I'm waiting for him. This is the month of June. Yes, it is June. Has been for the past 3 days exactly. Alrighty, folks. I'm going to go to Little Leon just to make it a little bit easier. I feel like we got a lot of folks in here already. Glad to see y'all. Glad y'all stopped by. Excited for today. Some great news. Made my whole month. I'm gonna go to Little Leon here. That was quick. I didn't even do the transition. Alrighty. So we're gonna do our normal questions. If anybody's got questions, we're gonna do it. Then we're gonna talk about graduation a little bit. We're gonna talk about our classwork for today and this evening, and we're gonna set up the weekend. Tell me more, floating. It's even better as Little Leon, right? There you go. Oh, my neck's not coming. I gotta pull up the shirt. There we go. Perfect. Can y'all still hear the mic from over that far? Can y'all still hear it? I know the gain's pretty high on my mic, but that's funny. I gotta get the morph suit. The morph suit would be just my face floating and nothing else, and it perfectly matches the green screen. Alrighty, we got some questions. How many mega monthers are there? Let's take a peek. So far there are, let me refresh here. So far there are 60 mega monthers. So 60 folks that were signed up for this month. Yobi said, I'm able to catch up, trying to do this week's work. Should I go back to where I fell behind and start there, or start here and work my way back? Since we're just getting into React, start with us now. Start with us now and then work back to fill in the things that you need. Yeah, since we didn't get too far in the thing, so probably start with the React classes and join us live. Any chance of getting extension on the algorithms homework? Yes, I'm going to give you all the weekend. Since OCC asked, y'all get an extension for the entire weekend to finish the algorithms homework. We're also going to have some time to work on it together, right? Right? But I know it's hard, and I know there's a lot of weird bugs in it. Like there's some, like it's just not up. There's some gotchas in the code that they shared. So don't worry. Just work through those little bugs that are there. But there are some, and so I wanted to give folks a little bit more time since there was some bugs and some weird things that came through. Hey, thank you all for the hype train. They just have like these like weird dog photos for hype trains. They're pretty funny. So thank you for letting me know that there's some weird stuff. But since OCC asked, we're going to take the weekend, so you have a little bit more time to get your stuff in. Yeah, and different. Ever since you told me the idea of making the platform, I've been sold on it. I really think it's something we should all work on before next cohort. Yeah, it'd be a lot of fun. Hey, OCC, thank you for the 300 bits. Real quick, word on the street. OCC, we're talking tomorrow. Might be the next stream team member, folks. Next stream team member. I know I feel ready for it. I'm excited. JJ, all right, I appreciate that. I'll take a peek. Where can you use me on the platform, boss? Hey, let's talk, Dad. Let's get it. Alrighty, folks. Let's get a little bit more room for a little bit more. JJ, what company are you from? Just so, because you're already here, I might as well ask you so I can see which one it is. What should I have for dinner? A Whole Foods plant-based dinner. Maybe some potatoes. I had for dinner yesterday some potatoes with, instead of sour cream, a little bit of hummus inside, an oil-free hummus. And then I had some nice veggies on the side, some alfalfa sprouts over top. It was really delicious. And then maybe a little bit of sauce on the potato. There you go. Grain ball and smoothie tonight. Let's go. My dinner is black coffee. My dinner right now is, I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Rubio's tea. Rubio's tea. I don't know. I brewed it last night. I like my tea to sit overnight. I'm weird. Same thing with my coffee. I like it cold. I like my tea cold. Rooibos. Thank you, Kate. Rooibos. Now, some people are saying Rooibos. Some people are saying Rooibos. Rooibos. Is it Rooibos or Rooibos? I feel like we should do like channel points for this. It's delicious though. It's very unique. Can't really put my finger on the taste. Kind of almost like a licorice. The rubes. Rooibos is how my local South African shop pronounces it. Hey, there you go. That makes sense then, because that's where it's from, right? Like the main place. I'll take Kate. I got it. I'm gonna say Rooibos. Alrighty, folks. If you have any questions, that's what I heard, Catch. That's what I heard. That's why I'm trying it out. I normally do some other types of teas, but since I read that, I was kind of looking at it. I tried hibiscus elderberry tea. It's super delicious. I love elderberry. Anything with elderberry in it, I love. Marks and Spencer's, I think, has one that I used to really like when I was younger. Whole Foods now has an elderberry like seltzer that's delicious. Whew. Alrighty, folks. Just giving folks a few seconds to get in here. I always like to answer questions while we let folks get in. Looks like we have most folks. We're gonna get right into it, folks, because we got some bangers this evening. And normally I hide it, but the gang's all here. The gang's all here. So this is your 10-second warning. You know, whenever you see that music and light warning on the slide, we go. So I'm gonna chill the OG music here, and you got 5 seconds, folks. OCC, thank you for the 300 bits. That's wild. Thank you so much. It's just Andy. Thank you for the 7 months. That's wild. Thank you, Andy. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Alrighty, here we go, folks. Another job, baby. Let's go. Congrats, Memphis. Super OG, getting a job. I love to see it. Best news all week. Let's go. I expect to be doing these a lot more often, folks. Let's go. Congrats, Memphis. You deserve this 100% over. One more drop from Memphis. Had to give the full floating head for Memphis. I already see you lighting it up in chat, please, but throw all the emotes that you have in chat. I love to see. I'm throwing some bobs in there. Boom. Memphis said, all thanks to you. Nah, see, here's the thing, folks. Here's the thing. You put in the work. I'm going to say it again for the folks in the back. I help, but I can't put in the work. Memphis, you above all, put in the work. You put in the work, right? I can't make y'all do the work. In fact, we lost a lot of folks that didn't want to do the work. Memphis, week in and week out, you did the work. You showed up. You deserve everything that's coming your way, and that's all you, brother. That's all you. Oop, there we go. So this is a beautiful one. You all know Memphis. They keep me hydrated every stream. They're the first person to welcome folks on Discord, always popping in to help folks. Memphis has probably talked to every single one of y'all if you're on Discord. So they go by Kieran on Discord, but Memphis has been here since the beginning. Always in chat, always having a good time. Blah says Memphis is a ray of sunshine for real. I 100% agree. You deserve all the good things that come your way in life. And so huge shout out to Memphis, right? Huge shout out to Memphis for being an amazing member of our community, but on getting this job today. So they got offered a part-time, full-stack web developer position, and they sent me this little. I have their permission to post all of this. I would never post stuff without people's permission, but I wanted to share this first, and then I have the next slide is the thing I want to swing home. So Memphis said, "Thank you, Leon, and our 100 devs community. That's y'all. That's y'all. Not me. That's y'all. Y'all show up. Y'all in Discord. Y'all answering people's questions. Y'all helping all the folks, everyone that shows up and stream. Even if you show up and stream, you feel totally lost and you ask that question, that helps everyone else that shows up. So congrats to the 100 Devs community for changing lives. I'd also like to thank Indifferent Ghost. Can we get a wall of emotes for Indifferent Ghost? Not only helping answer questions here in chat, but on Discord. Yep, emotes. This is not coming from me. It's coming from Memphis. There we go. Nice little wall of emotes. Keep it going for Fiery Drake, please. Just even more emotes for Fiery Drake. And then the Triple OG Ski. More emotes for Ski, please. Always helping folks here on chat, on Twitch, but also in Discord. I appreciate you all so much. It's a community, right? It's all y'all showing up. It's y'all helping out, putting in the work, answering questions. I thank you so much for all of their help and continued support. Wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for you wonderful people. Love you all. And I 100% agree. This was put in the Celebrations channel. Celebration channel has been popping off today because not only did we have the amazing offer to Memphis, but you also started posting all your MVPs, and they're so good. They're so good. Am I wonderful people? Absolutely are, Softest. You absolutely are. Yeah. So we got an offer. We got some amazing projects. I love sharing the love. Indifferent Goat. I love it. There you go. Indifferent Goat might have to change their name. Fiery Drake Ski. Thank you for all the. I'm going to go big Leon here. Everybody that stops by to give their help, to help others that are going through this journey. You have all my love. You have all my respect. Drake, Indifferent, Ski. You've all been here. You've all helped. You're all changing lives. I love to see it. Dab, with your streaming and helping so many folks. All the mentors and all the folks that stop by and give their time. We couldn't do it without you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love people that just keep joining. Oh my God, where's your body? Also, shout out Rav too. Rav's been lighting up the Discord as well. Hey. All right, now, you with me? Cause Memphis had one really important thing to share. Lock in. You ready? Lock in. You ready? This is what they wanted. This is what they shared, and I want you to see it. Dab, get out of here. That's wild. Stop that. I'm gonna time you out. You do deserve it. all the work you do, working with individuals through your stream. Can't tell you how many folks get value out of that need it most. And so I really appreciate it. Alrighty. This is it. Hold on. Let me see if I can make this bigger. I won't let me make the image bigger, so I'm going to read it. I'm not sure if it's clear or not. All right. It says here, I'm going to read it. You ready? Leon, I forgot to mention, one of the reasons I got shortlisted was because of my GitHub profile. Them green squares you had us work on. When they mentioned that, I was thinking of how you keep stressing on it every class. Look at these juicy, delicious wave of green squares. They were shortlisted for their job because they pushed every day. So I'm gonna go big here. I'm gonna put the mic close as I can. It's gonna get a little loud. Push code every day. It literally, hold on, let's go back to it. Literally gets jobs. It literally gets jobs. They were shortlisted. They were shortlisted because somebody pulled up their GitHub and said, wow, this person pushes code every day. When they get to my company, they're probably going to push code every day. So, as Catch just said, hey, push code every day. Push code every day. The other beautiful thing, too, that we haven't shared, well, Memphis has shared this before, but Memphis is from India. So that's another country on our list of places where folks are getting jobs. Ireland, Brazil, India, Spain, the US. We're international, baby. And I can't tell you how much that means to a lot of folks around the world, right? A lot of folks that are saying, hey, I see all these boot camps. They're all in the U.S. or the U.S. is the biggest. Or is that the biggest market? Can I do it if I'm somebody from Brazil? Can I do it if I'm somebody from India? Can I do it if I'm somebody from another country? The answer is yes. We're proving it. You all are putting in the work and we're showing them the way. And so that's the most exciting thing for me is that we're showing other folks out there that if they want it, they can go and get it. If your country's next, can you put your country in the chat for me, please? Let's see where everybody's from today. If your country's next, where are we doing it from? Where are we doing? I saw Egypt's coming next. I believe that. Venezuela, Canada, Greece. Whew. Couple more USAs, a Portugal, a Mexico. Nice. Another Canada, another Chicago. Oh, okay. Guatemala, Argentina. Huh. Let's go. Moon. Dab Gang's going to the moon, I guess. So let's do it. Brazil, UK. Let's go. Nepal. All right. Alrighty, folks. Once again, amazing shout out to Memphis. Thank you for being such a pleasant voice on Discord and always here in chat. We appreciate you. Congrats on the gig. Alrighty. Don't forget, folks, it's Mega Month June. And so since it's Mega Month June, we got a lot of fun stuff that we're doing. Since it's Mega Month June, don't forget, it's one-on-ones. Make sure you submitted your work. The link will be in a few slides here. We have 60 folks that submitted. I told y'all you had 24 hours, so that's today. I know a lot of folks reached out about needing an extra day or two. That's okay. You'll get in. We're at 60 right now, which is good for me. Good for me. But hope more of you get your stuff in. Go ahead and submit it. Make sure it gets in. That way I can add you to the private channel. Don't forget, Uno tournament, June 18th. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself for the Uno tournament. How do you know we're in? You'll get added to a private channel. In the 100 dev section, there's a private channel. I can't. Ooh, the prizes. Ooh, the prizes are going to be wild, folks. You want to win this Uno tournament. How do you train for Uno? You play lots of Uno. You can play Uno online. Lots of places to play Uno online. There's been recently some very high stakes Uno tournaments on Twitch. There have been some pretty high stakes Uno tournaments here on Twitch recently. Cash App was sponsoring an Uno tournament recently. It's big. You can maybe watch some high end action here on Twitch for. I love those. I just got it not too long ago, Ghost. But Uno tournament, June 18th. We also have a sponsored stream. We're going to be having that this month as well. We're going to be doing some fun stuff with machine learning. Excited to have you all. And remember, tomorrow is our interview prep. We're going to be folks that are part of Mega Month June. I'm going to be pairing you up to do some interview prep, but all are welcome tomorrow. Even if you're not doing Mega Month June, you're welcome to come tomorrow. You'll get paired up. We're going to work through a couple interview topics, make sure we're starting to get more and more comfortable interviewing throughout this month. So definitely show up tomorrow if you want to get some interview practice in. Do demos on Fridays have replays? No. I don't record the Friday sessions. I like to keep it real on Fridays. I like to wild out and say some stuff that I probably wouldn't say in public on Twitch. And so Fridays aren't recorded. Will you be harsh about the resume reviews because my career counselor is proud of making students cry? I definitely don't want you to cry, but I will be giving you my sincere opinions, having seen hundreds, if not thousands, of resumes. And so my goal is not to make you cry. My goal is to make sure you have a great resume afterwards. So I'm gonna dig, I'm gonna push, but I'm not gonna make you cry. Well, maybe one or two, but not my goal. All right. Remember, if you're participating in Mega Month June, I love a good cry. Participating in Mega Month June, you have to be checking every class. You can do exclamation point check-in if you forgot to check in already. You should still be keeping up your networking. 1 coffee chat and 3 connections a week. You should be pushing every day. Don't take it from me. Hey. Don't take it from me anymore. Memphis told y'all. Memphis just told y'all, everybody. The reason they got shortlisted for the job is because their GitHub was juicy, right? Juicy. I can put my hands away. Was juicy. Push every day. It's a small win every single day that's gonna make you stand out from all the other folks that are applying. I can't tell you how many. There you go, Blah. I can't tell you how many folks that are going into the interview process don't have a good resume, don't have a good project, don't have a good GitHub, don't have those green squares. These little things that I've been asking you to do, they show off. They put you in front of the line. They make it so that you have a fair shot at the job. So push every day. Remember, your client signature and everything is due today. If you haven't submitted it, make sure you submit it. Here's the link to submit your Mega Month June. Remember, Mega Month June is so important because I'm going to give you lots of one-on-one on time. So that's why you want to submit it. Our upcoming deadline, just to review, June 15th, your 100 hours project should be completed. Your 10 premium job application should be completed. That's all June 15th. Cool. The first batch of folks got added to a private Discord. I hate this little like fuzz there. What is that? Hold on. There we go. The first batch, sorry, it's annoying. That first batch of folks have been added to the private channel for Mega Month June if you're participating. I'll do another batch probably tomorrow morning as everyone else finishes up. Can you put your hands up again and shake them? I feel like you're just trying to clip something, but I'll do it. I'll PGMB. There you go. Y'all are really amused by this, huh? I'll do this more often. Y'all getting a kick out of this. So I'll do the next batch of folks to the private channel tomorrow morning. So please submit if you're submitting. And then let's talk about graduation. This is technically class 48. I said I wanted to do 60 classes. We're going to be a little over because we did take like 1 or 2, 3 weeks of like vacation in between. So we're definitely over by a couple classes. But I have like 60 full classes bookmarked, right? In terms of like what we're going to be doing. And so we're on class 48 tonight, which is going to be a short class, not a meme short class, but an actual short class because we're going over to Remo to get some work done. So that means we have like 12 classes left together. 12, folks. 12. That's it. 12 real classes left together. You believe it? Oh. Yeah. We're not going away after that, but like official classes, we got 12. We got a lot of other stuff after those classes. I got so much fun stuff planned, building out an agency together, building out a company together, all doing it live, getting y'all paid, all right? So we got a lot of fun stuff planned after the official classes. So you ain't going anywhere. I hope you ain't going anywhere, all right? But for now, it's about how to graduate. Trying to sell something? Absolutely not on this channel. Am I good enough to have imposter syndrome? Absolutely. Y'all better not leave me after we get jobs. I still need friends. That's how I feel. Y'all better not go anywhere. I still expect to see you every once in a while. I'm going to do the next cohort just so I can flex my skills and pretend it's my first time doing all that stuff. Hey, you're welcome. Miriam, how dare. Thought we were friends. Alrighty. So let's talk about graduation. So Mega Month June is about getting folks kind of one-on-one time that are really serious about the job hunt right now. But it's not a requirement for graduation. To graduate, I want... I don't even know if y'all can see it. Can y'all see that in chat? Blal timed out Miriam for 10 seconds. Oh, y'all can't see it. I can see it because Miriam got timed out by Blal for 10 seconds about saying the Express meme. Fork around and find out. I love it. I can see that the message was deleted. Is the bot live? No. Funny sent a clip on Discord. I don't know if it was just, I think it was just like them. You have the repo live? I thought you would just like edit it like in the inspector again. If that's real, send me the link, please. That's hilarious. Love it. It's live. Let's go. All right, I'll take a look after stream. So, like I said, Mega Month June is for folks that are super serious about the job search right now and want some more one-on-one individualized attention throughout the month of June, just because that's when I have time. But to graduate, that's not a requirement. To graduate from 100 devs, I'm looking for a few things. That you've participated, you've done your homeworks, you have submitted the things that I've asked you to submit, that you've done your check-ins, and that you've completed 100 hours project. So if you've regularly got your homeworks in, skipping one or two is okay. If you've regularly checked in, all right. If you submit 100 hours project, you have everything that I am looking for in terms of graduation. And so there is going to be exactly, Bobby Lynn, a beautiful graduation certificate. I am currently in the process of designing it. Oh, 42. I didn't see your hydration. 42. Cheers to you. Thank you for the hydration. They changed up the icons on the dashboard. It's different. It's weird. So you're gonna get a nice little graduation certificate. It's gonna be signed. It's gonna be beautiful, and I'll mail them anywhere in the world now that I know that international shipping isn't that bad. And so yeah, I would love to kind of celebrate the end of our official program by doing a graduation ceremony, getting some of you to come on stream and have a lot of fun with it. And then I'm going to mail out the certificates of completion. But as we know, certificates don't mean anything, but hopefully it means something to you in terms of like the amount of time we spent together. So yeah, so that's what I want to do. So make sure that you've gotten your homework in. Make sure you've been doing the check-ins. Make sure you get your 100 hours project done. And as we kind of wrap up our 60th class, we'll put a date together for graduation, and we'll do it big. We're going to have a lot of folks come on stream, and we're going to have a lot of fun with it. I got a lot of stuff that I think will be neat for us to do. And then there we go. I never sent out the thank you cards. I didn't. But I have like a fat stack of them. I do have them, and I do have all of the stamps and everything, because now I actually know the international shipping stuff. So they will go out eventually. Took me a while to get all the mailing stuff done. That was weird. Still got a lot more stuff to mail out. I actually have to do Pokemon cards too. First hire is Leon's mailing assistant. Yeah. Exactly. If it means 100 people finished a $100 project, I agree. All right. I volunteer as tribute. Thank you, Jesse. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that you completed the homeworks. I'm looking for that you've done your check-ins. I'm looking that you have submitted your 100 hours project, and that'll be the goal for graduation. So I want y'all to graduate. As you graduate and the time is right for you to find a job, we're going to be here to support you. We're going to make sure you get the help that you need, right? People want to know the outcome of the MVC slides competition. I don't have a winner. I apologize. I don't have one yet. We'll announce that on Tuesday. I promise I'll announce it on Tuesday. Y'all did work hard on them. I did not get through all of them. Now I have the time to get through them all because there was a lot. So Shane Bell, exactly. We'll announce it on Tuesday.
You got.
You did get got on that one. I'm sorry. Hold on, I gotta write it down. Why does this say rubber duck voice? I don't know. Hold on. I'm gonna make sure that I don't forget. Block, can you send me a mod mail? Not a mod mail, just put in mod to remind me of the MVC. I don't have Discord. Oh, I do have Discord open. Never mind. I forget that I have like a full computer in front of me sometimes. All right. I'm going to make sure that we do that on Tuesday. Thank you, Blah. Came through. All right. I got y'all. Tuesday, you don't get got. Catch, you can resubmit if you would like and add to it. That's totally fine if you want to update how much money you've brought in. That'd be actually really great. I like keeping track of that because we're like way over 60. The 64,000 was the one that we announced, but we're like way over that now as people keep updating. Ash, thank you for the 5 months. That's amazing. And Never Legend with the 9 months. Just stopping by to say hi. Hey, hope you're doing well. Me and Flex are playing Overwatch tonight. If you want to join us, Never Legend. I saw you message me. I tried to ping you back, but let's play some Overwatch. Thankfully, I've already been offered. Oh, well, okay, yeah, that's right. Yeah. Thankfully, I've already been offered a junior front-end position with a friend's startup on the condition I continue to learn and working towards full MERN. Hey, that's awesome. I don't want to take away from anyone else during Mega June. Will there still be standard classes amongst interview and job prep? Yeah, we're still doing our regular old classes, K. Murray. So we're still doing our regular classes. Mega Month June is kind of going down in between class. So yeah, definitely still welcome. Hey, let's go. Is there a graduation deadline? Yeah, we're gonna have like a graduation day that'll be later in the summer, and so that'll kind of be like the deadline for it. That way we can like thank everyone and do all that fun stuff. Yeah, cool. Any other questions about? I don't have the official date yet because I want to talk to a lot of people. I want to really kind of like get folks that have helped us along the way bought into a date. So I got to talk to a lot of the folks that help out here on Twitch and Discord, the mods and stream team and all that fun stuff. So I want to do it big. So I got to find a date that works for most folks. Yes, I have questions about the van. When are new classes? We're not sure when the new cohort will start. Probably around October, because I got a lot of fun stuff I want to do over the summer. Yeah, the fact that we can come to class regardless. Yeah, no, everything was always open. The only thing that's private is I just have a special channel for folks just so that I can make sure that they're doing what they need to do during this month. Yeah, I gotta get a cap and gown. That's funny. Alrighty. Let's keep moving. Where are we at, folks? Let me see time. We're doing good. All right. So, tonight, before we go deeper into React, I wanted us to come together and do it. So, next Tuesday and next Thursday, we're going pretty heavy in the Reacts. Tuesday's class is going to be, I have lots of examples of using state and hooks. I have lots of examples of using props and other fun stuff. Thursday will be building. But I wanted you all to have a chance to come together and do some work together to help explain things and work through things together as a team. So tonight I'm going to ask you to do a few things. We're going to do another commenting exercise. I want y'all to comment your fingers off here and make sure everyone on your team understands what's going down in the code. And so I'm going to ask that you comment our React simple vomit. This is some old class-based React code. And I'm going to ask that you all comment out our to-do list code, which is newer and follows some of the patterns from Brad's video. So I want you all to come together as a team. Even if you've already done this commenting exercise, I want you to come together as a team, fork a clean repo, and work through it together from the beginning. If you understand something, explain it to someone. If no one on the team understands a portion of it, work together to figure it out, right? Really flex that on the job trying to learn muscle, because you're going to need it once you get to the job. So I'm asking you to go through and comment our simple vomit. I'm asking you to comment our to-do list, and then I'm asking you all to work through these questions together. I asked you to finish these questions by tonight, which means that you should already be done them, which means that you maybe should have a little bit more productive, right? Maybe a little bit more productive, maybe a little bit more of a productive conversation around a lot of these ideas. Why did you give up on semantics of your to-do code? Fix it. Yeah, fix it for me. There's some semantic things that aren't right. Fix it for me. Talk about that tonight. Talk about that while you're commenting the to-do list. Could there have been some more semantic choices made? There are a few errors. Fix them. Comment them. Figure out what's going on. All right. So you're going to get together in teams to comment the simple vomit, to comment the to-do list, fix the things if you think they should be fixed. You're going to come together to answer your questions. That should give you a big chunk of our time together. If your team finishes before kind of normal class time is over, I'm going to ask that you start working through the algorithmic course questions together and just see how far you get. But I really want you to focus on React tonight, focus on answering these questions, focus on commenting both of these pieces of code. And we're going to do that together on Remo, right? There are no specific teams. I'm going to ask you to get into tables of 4. So remember, first floor is typically the hop-in floor, but you can go to table floor 2 and even floor 3. Oh God, jeez. Floor 3 is also an option. So try to be in teams of 4 or tables of 4. And if you see that your table has more than 4, you should leave to a different one and you're going to join in the classroom. So we are all going to end stream right now. We are going to go to Remo. Please come to Remo. Please come hang out. Please join a team and work through this together. It's important. Come hang out with some of your fellow 100 devs. Work through this code together. Work through the questions together. That way you feel a bit more prepared. And we're going to go over to Remo now. So we're going to end stream. We're going to go over to Remo. And then I'm going to start presenting on Remo when we get over there. And I got a super secret to share on Remo. So I'll share that super secret on Remo in just a few minutes. So we're going to end stream. I'm going to see you on Remo. And I'm going to share the super secret. So see you over there in just a few seconds. I'll share the van story on Remo. There you go, Shells. I'll share the van story on Remo. So let's go ahead. Let's go over to another thing. Let's go over to Remo. I'll see you all over there. I'm cutting stream now. Once again, congrats. Thank you to everyone that's here. Congrats to Memphis. And let's get over to Remo. We got a lot of fun work to do. See you over there.